Respicure D syrup is a combination of 3 medicaments which is used for the treatment of dry cough. It relieves allergic symptoms such as sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, and throat irritation. Chlorpheniramine is an antihistamine. Phenylephrine is a decongestant which narrows the small blood vessels, providing relief from congestion or stuffiness in the nose. Dextromethorphan is a cough suppressant that relieves cough by reducing the activity of cough center in the brain. Common side effects are nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, headache. Drink extra fluids to help loosen the congestion and lubricate your throat while taking this medication. Avoid activities which require mental alertness, as this syrup may make you drowsy.